Ever wondered how to make your indoor garden thrive? Indoor gardening can be a fulfilling endeavor, but it's not without its challenges, from choosing the right plants to providing the correct amount of light and water. Well, you're in the right place to learn how to make your indoor garden flourish. Firstly, know your plants. Not all plants have the same needs. Each plant is unique, just like us. Some crave the sun and bask in its light all day, while others are content with less. Some plants are water guzzlers, drinking up every drop they can get. Others prefer a more frugal lifestyle, requiring just a sip now and then. And let's not forget temperature. Some plants love the heat, others prefer it cool. Knowing your plant's needs is the first step towards a successful indoor garden. Secondly, ensure your plants get adequate light. Light is the lifeblood of all plants, fueling their growth and development. Most indoor plants require a minimum of 12 hours of light daily. So make light a priority. Remember, no light, no life. Thirdly, water your plants wisely. Overwatering and underwatering can both be detrimental, but remember, it's generally better to underwater. Most indoor plants are quite resilient and can tolerate a bit of dryness. Strike a balance in watering and your plants will thank you. Fourthly, maintain healthy soil. The lifeblood of indoor gardening is anchored in the earth beneath your plants. Emphasize soil that drains well and is abundant in organic matter. Remember, it's a simple equation. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. With these tips, you're well on your way to a thriving indoor garden. Remember, it's essential to understand your plants, provide them with ample light, and water them appropriately. Maintaining healthy soil is also a critical aspect of indoor gardening. These simple yet effective strategies will help you cultivate a lush, vibrant indoor garden that will be the envy of all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!